everyone, Alex again. It is another new day on the Ford Ranger. I'm definitely pushing a 25-minute time frame I've set myself, but let's show you where I'm at. Okay, so here we have, this is the engine block. This is the bottom half of the engine. Those are our pistons. You can see I've done a bit of cleaning already, just wiping off any oil, excess oil. I've still got to get down to there and do that one. But here is where the head gasket sits. And I need to give this a good old clean before we put on a new one, because these are all chunks that are raised up and that'll cause a sealing problem, and I'm going to put it all back together and have a blown head gasket before I even start the car. So I'm going to give it a big clean with the Whizzer. I'm going to get a new head on this one, that one there. So this is pretty much just Scotch-Brite, a bit sturdier. Can't really bend it with my fingers, so it's pretty hardcore, but that'll give us a nice smooth polished finish without actually denting or scratching anything on the block. And over here, this is the inside of the timing cover that will sit on the front of the engine like that once I put all the gears and everything in. And we had a whole bunch of silicone just to seal the gaps, which I've cut off with a knife, and I've got to clean it up properly, and then I'll hit it with the Whizzer as well and just really pretty up these surfaces. A couple of little scratches on the internal paint, but we're not too worried about that because inside the cover, the timing case, like there is, I can't really see it on camera, but this is like glistening with oil. Everything, there's oil sloshing all up around here all the time to keep the chains lubricated. So I'm not going to have any concerns about rust or anything like that inside, so I don't need to worry about repainting it or anything like that. So yeah, time for cleaning.